I'm shooting today, early hour, low light shot, Insta360 One X4. Settings of the camera, 4K, 24 frames per second. I believe I turn low level light on or automatically on, and I see a face bracketing on. I have standard lens guards on today. I'm in single mode, video mode. EV value, negative 0.3. Using a DJI Mic 2 Mini. I'm slowly walking forward, street light here, seeing if there's any lens flare into the camera as the street light is introduced on top. Rotate to the corner and rotate around, and then slowly walking forward. There is action in front of a squirrel, and I cannot capture the moment unless I turn the camera around. The action's happening. Can I turn the camera around by hitting the button here? It takes a photo? No. So I have to come here and rotate around to capture the moment. We don't have the ability to switch as I see, as I learn the camera. I'm on D-warp mode. The park lights are off. The sound's around. That was a garbage truck that passed by. I'm in free frame mode, holding the camera like an action camera. I'm dropping down some. And then I'm going back up. And we'll edit this in Studio. You hear me flopping with my sneakers on the mat? If I walk on to the artificial turf, I got all this sand on my feet bringing in the house and all that, man. You don't hear me flopping. That's what you hear with the camera's microphone, the actual DJI Mic 2 Mini. Oh, Fish, how did you get a DJI Mic 2 Mini when it's only the DJI Mic Mini out there? Well, maybe I slipped. Maybe I shouldn't have said that I got the brand new mic that's not on the market. No, it's the DJI Mic Mini. I just call it the DJI Mic 2 Mini. And there it is. I put it on a lanyard strap, and I got the DJI Mic 2 underneath my shirt. I don't think this allows to hook up two mics, but I was going to go try the Action 5 Pro with the two mics. Well, I do hope you enjoyed the talk that I was sharing about my inner thoughts out loud, vlogging to the Insta360 X2 as a vlogger's camera. And I'm going to go back home, like I said, put it into the editor and see what the actual files are. The thing I should have done before I did the vlog and make a video file and throw it in there and see what each of the files do. That's how I learn. Just go out and do and see if I could do the workflow. If I get this video out correctly and it does a good job, then I'm happy. I could have used hand gesture. I could have used voice command. That's something that the DJI don't have. Wow, that worked beautiful, man. I just put my hand up and the video started. Now I'm going to do the same thing. Peace, baby. Did it take a picture? Oh, man, that works so fast. I'm happy now. Free frame looks like a plus sign. When you press on the free frame, it allows you to choose the scene, the shot, the aspect ratio as I watch the video and trying to learn it for myself. If I stop and I hit the button over here, I'm on a plus sign now while recording, and I'm able to hit the triangle that marks a spot and then back to the full frame. I'm in my spot where I put the camera on the ledge. I don't trust it over there because my tripod's a lot larger than the other. Now, I don't expect to use this all the time. If the workflow is MP4 that I'm able to bring directly into Filmora, then I could use this workflow. But if I have to put it into Studio, then I have to take a lot more time and use that software. So Insta is a dedicated camera for Insta Studio. It all comes with one package, and that's excellent for a camera company. If DJI had their own software, maybe when they get their 360, it'll also allow maybe for the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro and the latter to just use that software, and they'll control all the colors, all the LUTs, all the tone mapping, and everything that people are complaining about on the market. Not all are complaining, just people that want to make this the DJI a digital single reflex camera. Lens camera, that is. Well, yeah, my screen just went off. I guess it's saving right now. I did my talk. Time to mosey on along. You know the color of chalk drawn. So you can match this up with chalk. I love using the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro as my vlogger camera, all camera, on the go camera. I grab it and I go. I got no problem grabbing it and using it. With the Insta360 X4, the thing is, it's a more delicate camera because of the lenses, and you want to be careful with it. That's the only difference about the DJI and the Insta. But any action camera, to 360 camera, that is the difference. Fish, you should have kept with the Ace 2 Pro, baby. You would have been happy. Like I said, man, wasn't ready for it. I just didn't have a good time using it with the settings. Didn't want to set it up and things changed on me. Maybe it was the camera. I don't know. I just don't know. Now, don't have to say the wrong words because all I gotta do is just put my hand this way and it don't shut off. So it does know what to do. So yeah, just be careful of certain things. Always learn to waste the first 5 seconds of any camera's video as well as the last 5 seconds. Because when I do this, you're gonna see me dropping my hand down and talking. And you gotta go start 1, 2, 3, 4. Hey, here we go. And then we're all done. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hand up. Cut. Beginning and the end. Everybody woke up on a cold day. I guess it's just the way things are. All winter, nobody was out. So I got my talk, I got my vid, I got everything I wanted to do. I said a lot, did a lot, shared a lot, showed a lot. Now I got a lot of work to do. And I gotta go meet Joe and take care of a little bit of notes. But before I go, I'm just holding on a Handy-Sin tripod about the size of my hand, 5 inches. And I just switched it over to the very top one. It's either Ultra Action or Action. I'm not sure. I think I go down to the second one, and that'd be Ultra wide. And I'm all done. Now, I wish I could have turned the camera this way. Maybe I have orientation set up. I'm not sure. And then I could get a real wide screen and see everything nice and wide. I got to learn my camera, like I said. That part I didn't learn yet. I definitely cleaned you off, and I got the case. I got the lens guard on, and I didn't shoot with the lens guards off. And hopefully there won't be a spot. If there is a spot, and I take the lens guard off and I clean that lens real well and I still got a spot, then maybe I got a bad camera. I don't want to think that. Cameras do happen to go bad, you just never know. And we'll see what it looks like. I didn't drop this, didn't damage it, but maybe it's just lint that stays on there. You never know. And that's the only downside of a 360 camera. You get one little speck on any camera. Oh man, check this out. We're getting buds. It's a beautiful day, and on that beautiful day, I'm Fish, and I'll see you on other videos to come.